Hello everyone, welcome back to the Natura Channel's Tour Factory series. Have you ever wondered how sweetened condensed milk maintains such a consistent taste across every single can? You'll find the answer throughout this tour video. Step 1. Milk the cow. Thousands of high-quality dairy cows line up, attended not by human hands, but by a high-precision automation system. Millions of liters of fresh, raw milk are produced daily, ready to be transformed into a global commodity. Time is the arch-enemy of freshness. Immediately after milking, this white river must move quickly. Giant stainless steel tanker trucks, specially designed to maintain temperatures close to freezing, roared down the highway.
We just hold each other when the daylight thins. The world keeps changing faces.
Step 2. Raw material precision. Welcome to the Transformation Command Center. Here, raw milk enters the sterilization and standardization phase. Through a labyrinth of food-grade stainless steel pipes, millions of liters of milk flow like an unending river. This flow is evidence of the massive scale of production required to meet equally massive market demand. This is the critical phase, thermalization. The milk must undergo an instantaneous cycle of extreme heat and cold. Using industrial-scale heat exchange technology, milk is rapidly heated to kill pathogens and then drastically cooled again within seconds. To enhance economic value and create a texture preferred by consumers, raw milk must be homogenized. This process breaks down fat molecules under high pressure, preventing the cream from separating and ensuring each sip of packaged milk has a uniform consistency. The processed milk now rests briefly inside a giant aseptic stainless steel storage vessel.
We never had the answers, we never needed to. Every road kept leading back to me. And you were human after all. Hearts that skip and stumble. Nothing made of steel, nothing made to last forever. But every scar we carry only proves we've lived it all.
Step into the factory laboratory where the secret to consistent flavor begins with precision. Pure sugar is weighed with exacting accuracy, down to the milligram. Before being mixed, the samples are tested using digital spectroscopy to ensure that sugar content and purity standards fall within the appropriate tolerances.
To our favorite song, no need to outrun time, no need to prove we're strong. You're still my home after all. We're human after all. Beautifully imperfect. Every crack lets in another little sunrise. If tomorrow finds us older, I'll still answer when you call. I'll love you through it all.
Step 3. Hot steam pasteurization.
Human after all.
Raw materials that pass the selection process are immediately fed into a massive stainless steel piping system. A flash pasteurization process using industrial steam takes place here. The goal is to eliminate harmful bacteria while simultaneously binding nutrient molecules perfectly.
The years leave fingerprints when no one else can see. Silver in our story.
Step 4. Evaporation and concentration. The next stage, vacuum evaporation. The milk is heated under a vacuum so that the water evaporates without damaging its nutrients. The automatic stirrer keeps spinning to break down fat molecules, transforming thin milk into a thick liquid with a super smooth texture.
Like
Step 5. BRIX test and AI inspection. Before packaging, quality undergoes rigorous testing. A BRIX tester ensures the dissolved solids content hits the target figure, such as this 65.2%. AI-based computer vision also scans color and viscosity in real time. Once the screen displays the match status, the product is deemed perfect.
Human after all. Some days we laugh too loudly, some nights we barely speak. You know every quiet corner that still belongs to me. The mirror tells one story, your eyes tell another. You still look at me like there's no one you discover. We never had the answers, we never needed to. Every road kept leading back to me and you. We're human after all. Hearts that skip and stumble, nothing made of steel, nothing made to last forever. But every scar we carry only proves we've lived it all. If love is less than perfect, we're human after all. When the lights grow dim, when the nights grow long, we'll dance a little slower to our favorite song. No need to outrun time, no need to prove we're strong. You're
Educational segment, Secrets of Natural Longevity. Here's an interesting fact. Why does sweetened condensed milk last so long, even without artificial preservatives? The answer lies in the high sugar content BRIX 65% plus and the reduction in moisture content during evaporation. Sugar is hygroscopic, it absorbs moisture, preventing bacteria from growing. Combined with an airtight seal, this milk stays fresh naturally.
I'll still answer when you call. I'll love you through it all. We're human after all. She keeps her keys beside the bed, shoes pointed toward the door. Never hangs pictures on the walls, never asked what forever's for. She's got a suitcase in the closet, half packed all year long. Leaves before the silence settles, before a place can call her home. She says don't make promises, they turn to change somehow, and smiles like she's joking, but she means it now. She knows every exit, every back road out of town, every reason.
Step 6. Robotic filling and sealing. In a high-speed, sterile environment, automatic taps fill thousands of cans seamlessly.
She knows every exit, but never what she's running from. There's a coffee cup at a roadside diner, a scarf she left in June, a dozen almost forever scattered underneath the moon. And every man who tried to hold her still wonders where she went. She disappeared.
A robotic arm immediately presses down and hermetically seals the can lid. Everything operates automatically without human contact, to ensure absolute cleanliness.
It's a night she stares out windows like she's searching through the dark for peace. She knows every exit, every back road out of town, every reason not to stay. When love starts slowing down, she can spot the ending before the story learns its name. She knows every exit, but never what she's running from. Maybe it was heartbreak, maybe it was fear, maybe she's been carrying ghosts nobody else can hear. Maybe all those open roads.
That is the long journey from a drop of fresh milk at the farm to ready-to-consume sweetened condensed milk. Which process do you think is the coolest? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next factory tour video.
Every exit, every crack inside the map, every way to leave a memory without looking